Class, today I shall be giving the answer of chapter number 23, Natural Disasters, from 4th standard, EVS part 1. Okay, see the questions from exercise A. What's the solution? Your village is uphill. There is a flood in a neighboring village. So answer is, the people in low-lying areas should be immediately shifted to higher places. They should be quickly helped with food, water and medicines. Next question number B. Use your brain power. A table for natural disasters and man-made disasters is given below. Complete the table with the help of the list that follows. तो आपको यहाँ पर दो डिज़ास्टर दिए, नेचुरल डिज़ास्टर एंड मैन मेड डिज़ास्टर्स. तो आपको नीचे पॉइंट भी दिए गए हैं, उसमें से चूज़ करके आपको नेचुरल डिज़ास्टर और मैन मेड डिज़ास्टर्स में लिखना है. तो आई हैव गिवन द आंसर हियर. यू कैन कॉपी डाउन फ्रॉम हियर. Okay, now see the question number 2. What is the difference between a hailstorm and snowfall? Answer: a hailstorm is more damaging than snowfall. A hailstorm damages crops in the field and fruits in orchards and people, whereas snowfall does not cause such a damage. Next, question number 3. If there are animals with fur coats living in places where it snows, would the coat be thick or thin? What could be the reason for that? Answer: animals with fur coats living in places where it snows would have thick fur coat. The reason for to have thick fur coat is to protect oneself from cold. Next one, D. Answer the following questions. What kind of rain in winter is good for the crops? Answer: occasional light showers in winter season are good for the crops. D. Second, what are the ill effects of a hailstorm? Answer: often a hailstorm accompanies with untimely rains. Severe hail causes injuries to people and animals. It shatters roof tiles. It can damage crops in fields and fruits in orchards. If mango trees are in blossom at the time of hailstorms, the blossoms may rot or fall off, leading to a fall in mango production. Question D. Third, should one go for a swim in floods water? Answer: no. One should not go for swim in flood waters. D. Fourth, how does a tsunami affect vehicles on the coast? Answer: tsunami comes with so much force that vehicles on the coast along with the people in them get thrown away to quite a distance. Vehicles are crushed and people inside get injured or die. Question E. Fill in the blanks. Dash, that is waves just like the one we see in water, are produced in the bowels of the earth. And next, second, if it does not stop raining, the rainwater enters the settlements. Third, people and animals are helpless against the force of a tsunami. Fourth, people get trapped under the heaps and die.